Even though I've been that many times, she says have a good day. We've got the bush dog enclosure again. Are they out? Good question. Good question. Probably not. I don't think the bush dogs are out at the moment. They might be in their little beds.
Are you out of bush dogs now?
They're not out at the moment. Yeah.
Are you in the house?
So they've moved the otters from over there, if you remember, to the other side of the park now. But anyway, it's okay. Oh, he's gone into the bush dogs. Some keeper has. So I don't know if they're going to come out. He's in there doing a poop scoop. And he's up there, like, with the shovel, doing some poop scoop.